Hey everyone, welcome into Mud's Closet. Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2026. We welcome in the new year. I'm very excited about today's video. This is a Journalsay unboxing and haul video. I'm very excited because this is my first collaboration in Mud's Closet. Journalsay sent me this stuff to play with and share with my viewers. I also, y'all have been receiving some feedback on my knife. Let me know if you think I should get a different opener, if that one is a little scary. I know it's big, and I would be open to your feedback. Anyway, here is the Journalsay box, and it's so pretty and will be reusable for storage. Below in the comment section, I will have a coupon code. If you see anything that you like, that you want to order, you'll be able to get some percentages off. There's also a link there because I'm now an affiliate, and I would love it if you would use that link. And as we go through this, you might find that you're just inspired to go over there and look and see. As always, for junk journaling, there's nothing really that you need to have to go buy, but sometimes it's fun to get this stuff anyway and use it. I love that the bubble wrap is hearts instead of just dots. And oh my goodness, y'all, there's a lot of stuff in here. So this might be done in several parts as I look at this. I don't really remember what I ordered, but apparently I ordered a lot. Winter scenery. Oh, these are washi stickers, I think. Are they stickers? Yes. So those are pretty, and those will be fun. I like more jaggy edges, so I probably will tear those up. There's some fireworks in that one. Snowman. Okay, I think I might have to move faster than that. This is more, it says winter scenery. Oh, this is a different color scheme and looks more like Old England. Nice. Another one of those. And another one. Now that I'm doing this, I think what I did, they had things like this that you could order one of, and then there would sometimes be a number where you could order for a few cents less per item the whole set under one item number. So I think actually I did that a lot. I prefer doing that. These chocolate stickers, I did the same way. There's 4 of those. Let's take a look at one of those. I love this little box. That will certainly be reused. Oh, y'all, these are pretty. So different. That looks like biscotti cake, tiramisu maybe, cookies. I forget what those are called. An eclair maybe of some sort. Easter eggs. Okay, this could go on for a long time. Coffee and a biscuit. These are really neat. And I have been considering a coffee journal because I like coffee. I've also been considering a tea journal. I do have coffee in my cup. This was another option that I got, several of the same style. So let's take a look at some of these. I really don't remember why I was drawn to the things that I was drawn to, except for that, honestly, that little tin is adorable. Those of you that are children of the 70s and 80s remember those lip balms that came in these little tubes. Oh, these are teeny little. Oh my goodness, you guys, that's an angel. Some birds. This is a little book, some trees. These are so cool, and I really can't wait to use them. A little ink on the edges to distress them. Y'all, mushrooms, tree stump, more woodland things. Oh, you guys. Look at that little fairy. Pine cone. What is that, a hedgehog? Mushrooms. This is the second tin with blue on it. Palm Fairy Tale Town mini stickers. And the blue ones are all like oceanic, starfish, sand castle, the mermaid shells, this turtle, and a, what is that, a shark. Y'all, these are beautiful. Treasure chest, sea scroll, seahorse. These are beautiful in this teeny tiny tin. There are 3 more little tins of those mini stickers, and I have concerns about this video getting too long. If you want to see them, leave me a message down there and I'll do another video opening these up and showing you each. My understanding is that each is a little bit different. There's 50 stickers in each of these little tins, and they really are just cute and charming. Next thing in my box is a gold metallic pen and a silver metallic. Oh, you guys, those are neat. And I think they're having, starting January 3rd, a sale. So that's kind of cool. These 2 boxes are these little lacy stickers, which are kind of hard to see. So I'm going to just use this black box as a contrast. But these are really cute too. On colored paper, you could layer stickers with these in your journaling or planner. Those are cute. So I got 2 boxes of those. What I've decided I'm gonna do, y'all, is we'll show you general things in this video, and then I'll do other shorter videos that go through things individually. If you want to see something specific, leave me a message, and know that if you're interested, again, the affiliate link below doesn't cost you anything extra. It just helps support my channel. Next are these stickers, and from each package you can see that there's perhaps a little different theme. These are called the aroma of books, and different colors in each pack. I'm going to open up 1 pack of these. Again, if you want to see more, leave me a comment. Oh, there we go. I seem to have been heavy on the stickers, y'all. And even this packaging could become a cute little journal cover. These are really good sized. There's multiples of each, kind of vintagey, rustic, a little bit grungy. These are cool. And the others are of different themes, different colors. Next we have some rub-ons, and these are vintagey. I actually really like how these are a little bit matte. There's things like teapots and silverware, this steampunky gear thing. This is all chapeau, which of course is hats, and little tags. Those are neat. And more. Those are neat. They came packaged like these floral ones. And I want to say, y'all, that these were, I think, like less than $2 for 3 sheets, and there really is a lot on each of these. And these colors are very pretty spring-like. The next thing that we're going to go to are called dried flowers, but they're stickers. And I ordered these, the whole set. I saw Natasha at Treasure Books using something that seemed similar to these, so I was interested in those. These are big. You can see they're bigger than my hand. There's 6 stickers in each pack, and they're called dried flowers, but they're not really dried flowers. They're stickers. Look at those dried roses. We're just going to pull one of these out and give you an idea. I thought for journal covers, that's what Natasha used them for. Those are beautiful, you guys. Or just larger pieces. These days I'm doing a lot of smaller things, but perhaps I'll do some larger things. Next, we have some paper packs, and again, these were available individually or with one item number to get the whole set. This one was interesting to me. I don't know if you can see through the package, that little bunny. I will go through these at a point when I think I'm going to use them to create some journals. So if you'd like me to go page by page, leave me a message. Otherwise, I will go page by page when I'm using them in a project. But there are a lot of different things in these, tied with this thread that will be used again, and a cute tag. Some little cutouts. That looks almost like mutts. I know it's not, but that's cute. Some mushrooms, cats, which I love, flowers, some frames, and then, oh, some pretty papers. That's very spring-like and kind of still neutrally. That's pretty nice. Okay, again, each of these was available individually or one item number for the set. Each is a different color scheme. Each has 45 pieces of tickets. And y'all, these are thicker than regular paper. They're not cardstock, but they have some body to them. These are very cool for junk journaling, a little distressing on the edges, maybe tearing or, I don't know if you can see that. These are cool. I'm delighted that I got these, and I will be using these in some projects. More, again, available individually. Different stickers, retro collage. Can you tell I have a ticket thing? Because I really have a ticket thing and a mail thing. Cute. One of my friends is going to be having a little baby girl soon, and so I wanted some little girl things. Oh, she has a little kitty cat. It's a kitty cat, little kitty cat ears. These are cute, black and white color theme. I think these were available in other colors. Golden Shadow. This also was individual or with one number for all the colors. This looked interesting to me because, oh, y'all, there's just a few pieces in here, but this is vellum with gold leafing on it. These are gorgeous. I'm delighted with these. Purple, looks like a burgundy, a green, a navy, a bronze, purple, and more little girl stickers. Y'all, this was a huge haul. I'm delighted with it. I can't wait to show you some projects with it. Leave me a comment about what your favorite item in the haul was, and if there's something that you would like to see closer. These are very charming. That's it. That's the only word I can find. Look at that cute little umbrella. So, thank you if you made it this long. Please take advantage of the discount code if there's anything that you saw that you'd like to have. Come back, because I'll show you some fun projects with some of these things. Like and share. I am planning on a giveaway when I hit 2,000 followers. Some of this stuff will end up in that. And I hope you all have a great rest of the day.